Hey y'all, my name's Austin. You're watching Fishing Fever. We're here in downtown Richmond at Ancaro's Landing. I loaded up the wagon with all my stuff and went for a little walk. Not very far at all, just enough to get the wagon out. We're gonna be using some of that bait that I caught in that last video, some brim and crappie. I got 4 rods. 3 of them got Carolina rigs and one of them's got a Santee Cooper rig, which is no difference other than one has a float. 3 of them have 6/0 hooks and one of them's got an 8/0 hook. Other than that, all the same. Gonna put probably crappie on 2 of them and brim on 2 of them. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully the crappie gets hit because I got more of that than I got the brim. But anyways, let's see what we can do. All right, this is the bait. I froze it the other day. I'm hoping that that's all right. It's very fresh. I only caught it just the other day. Y'all saw the video where I caught it. On the Whisker Seeker rod, we'll put a brim head. And when I'm not dragging, I like to hook them through the back like that instead of through the mouth. Just a personal preference. I don't think it's a massive deal, but I think it puts the hook more in the center of the bait. So I feel like it gives me a better chance of getting a hook up. I'm really hoping that 4-ounce weights will hold. 4 ounces is not enough weight. The river's carrying my baits downriver. I don't know. It's not horrible, but it's not ideal. Well, looky there. My first catfish in about 3 weeks. Nothing to really brag about, but I'm very excited. I'm very happy for him that he got to join the Fishing Fever show. That's awesome. That didn't take any time. I've been recording for maybe 10 minutes, so. But he did lose my entire brim headpiece, so I'm not too happy about that. That was on the Santee Cooper rig. All right. See ya. Well, I hope that's a good sign. I don't know. That might have been my last. Yeah, that was my last brim. So I got 2 other large crappies. I might start downsizing my baits just for longevity, depending on how many we catch. I'm hoping that that first catfish is a good sign. You know the big cat fever rod that I have that doesn't fit in the rod holder? I had it leaning on the backpack like usual, but the problem with that is that this drop off right here at the edge of the water, if I hook into something that I can't flip on the bank, I'm gonna have to walk it over there. Now I know I'm being very optimistic here, but just to prepare for a possible good thing, I went ahead and moved it over there. I don't even know if y'all can see that, but it's sitting in an old pipe. And it's still on the clicker, so you might hear it. You might not see it, but you might hear it. But that way I can, whichever rod I catch, let's say a 30 pounder or whatever, Yeah. I'll be able to take it, get it to the bank, and then walk it under the other lines. Just trying to set myself up for a very improbable success. You want to come over here and see it?
See the fish? See the fish?
Hey, buddy.
Say hey.
I'll move this out of the way for you.
Look at the fish.
You want to be on YouTube?
You want to be on YouTube?
Huh?
Come on, you want to be on YouTube?
Making a video right here. You want to come right here?
Look.
Want to come right here and touch him?
Touch the fish.
Oh, he's slimy.
Look, touch the fish, Amar.
You touch his tail? He's slimy, ain't he?
You gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah.
Say hey, YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Look, look, right there. Say hey, YouTube.
That's awesome.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's called Fishing Fever.
Fishing Fever.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, we will check it out.
Awesome.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Zamar gonna
Yes,
be
sir.
on YouTube.
That was really cool. Getting a bite on this one, the one that's in the pipe with the Christmas parade going. I'm hoping he'll run with it. I don't, whatever it is, it's just sitting there chewing on it. Maybe he's gone now. Ah, dang it. We're gonna wait it out a little bit longer. Now that the Christmas parade has stopped and, you know, all that boat traffic, will give us some time to calm back down and maybe we'll get another bite. I got a couple small nibbles while those boats were here, but nothing serious. All right, y'all, we stuck around for a few hours. I got a couple small bites after that parade and that was it. But hey, we caught 2 catfish, and that's 2 more than I've caught in the last 3 or 4 weeks. So, can't complain there. And you got to see the Christmas parade without having to stand out here in the cold, so that's good. I think the highlight of the video was that boy seeing that fish. He looked like he was having a fun time. That's always good. So, and he was all excited to be on YouTube, so I can't remember his name, but and I'm sorry about that, but glad you got to be in the video. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. If you want to see more of it, hit the subscribe button. Check out the gear in the description. Y'all know the deal. All right, keep fishing.